What is up, everyone? I'm Mahaffey, and today we're going to be talking about 5 things that every first-time motorcycle rider should know. Not really too new to motorcycles. The very first thing I would like to mention is if you've never rode a motorcycle on the open road, going road speeds, highway speeds before, basically above 50 miles an hour, you're going to be, I wasn't really scared, but you're going to be a little bit nervous. Don't be nervous, just relax, because when you're nervous, you're tense, and when you're tense, and if a car passes you, you could flinch and potentially wreck your motorcycle. Just relax, and it'll be all right. Number 2. If you've never rode a motorcycle on the road before, know this: the wind. Like when I first rode this, going this speed, 45 miles an hour, I would feel like the wind is blowing me. But really, the wind's, sure, yeah, it's gonna blow you a little bit, but you're gonna feel like it's gonna blow you off. It's not really gonna blow you off. It really takes a lot of wind to blow someone off of a motorcycle. See that kid back there? I don't know who that was. All right, it takes a lot of wind to blow someone off of a motorcycle. So just hold on and relax in the wind, and eventually you'll get used to this wind, because it don't take long to get used to it. Maybe a couple rides and you'll be used to all the wind you can handle. What are we on? Number 3? All right. Number 3. Finding neutral. Most motorcycles are first gear down, and then half up is neutral, and a full up is second gear. When you're trying to get it into neutral, it's going to be hard at first, but you'll get used to it. You'll be able to get it first time after a couple weeks. Sometimes it still takes me like more than one try to get it into neutral, but I can get it into neutral pretty easy now. But when I first got this, it felt like it would never go into neutral. That just takes repetition. You just gotta practice it over and over again. Try not to pull it up. Try not to slowly pull it up until you get into neutral, because that's just gonna put you straight into second. What you need to do is, you need to like, not snatch it, not really like fast, but like quick. Yeah, quick is a good word. Do it like, just barely tap it, like quick. Tap it, yeah. Tap it into neutral. That's the best thing to do. Easiest way to get it. And if you can't do that, you'll get it after maybe a couple rides, but if you can't do it with your wrist first. Do it like this. Number 5. I actually forgot what I was gonna say. I forgot. I was gonna have 5 things, but I forgot. Oh yeah. All right, I already said that. Oh yeah, make sure. No. Okay, well, I forgot what the 5th point was. If I remember it, I'll say it. If I don't remember it, then, well, count it out of the video. Oh yeah. All right. The 5th and final thing. Get familiar with your motorcycle sitting still. Like, get familiar with the weight of it and the controls, and like reaching the controls and stuff. Get familiar with all that stuff before even using it, because I didn't. When I first got this, I was like, heck yeah, got a motorcycle. I jumped on the road with it, and then I would go to hit my turn signals, and every time I'd go to hit that turn signal, I would accidentally hit the horn. Get familiar with all your controls before you even ride it. Get familiar with the motorcycle, everything on it. And that's probably going to end this video. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll be sure to make more moto vlogs, just talking about random topics, talking about this Honda Rebel. I might do some modifications to it. Stick around for that. If you like this video, then drop a comment down below. Tell me what you liked, tell me what you didn't like, and be sure to like the video. And look, be sure to subscribe if you're new to this channel. I'll be making weekly videos now. I'm gonna try my hardest. So if you think I should make once a week videos, comment down below, give it a like, give me a good old subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.